Hello friends, I'm Sanket. Our today's topic is running an iOS application. So now after development, you have to test your application on different devices, different platform. So now at that time, we have required simulator. Okay. So now first of the what is simulator? So now simulator is a best worked on the iOS software development kit. It means on as a iOS SDK. So now here you can see the iOS SDK is a software development kit. It's developed by Apple. The kit is allow for the development of the mobile apps on the Apple's iOS operating system. So now actually there are so many different types of platforms are available and also provided by Apple. So now in the first thing, the iOS application development, then after you have to test your application on simulator base. That time we have to require the iOS SDK. Okay, so now here you can see the difference between Android and iOS simulator. So now in Android you have to heard about the Android emulator. Okay, now in Android application development, that time you have to test your Android application on Android emulator. Now here for the iPhone application development, so now you have to test your iPhone application on simulator. Now actually emulator in Android and simulator in iOS. So now actually both are the same for the application testing device. Then after how to use and how to run your application on simulator. So now just simply create your iPhone application. Then after you have to see this option, you have to select any device for the testing purposes. So now there are so many different types of iPhone and iPad versions are available, means device are available on as a simulator basis. So now after development you have to require your application testing on as a simulator. Now simulator, it's a logical device. Okay, now you have to also test your application on your physical device. It means iPhone or iPad. Now that time you have to choose a different types of option on as a simulator window. So now this is the simulator for the iOS application testing tools. Thank you.